to NT170 Fluid and Mechanical Power. My name's Jason and I'm going to be your professor for the next 8 weeks. So these are interesting times. We've got a really large class and a lot of material to get through in this online format. By now, hopefully you're a little more used to an online class. However, I understand not everybody's doing them the same. So I wanted to say hi, introduce myself, and explain a couple of things that will help you understand what to expect from my class. As you'll see, I like to provide a lot of announcements to give updates, reminders, and I've already sent out the first one. And in there, I laid out some directions for some of the things you can do to get started. So, to get started, go into the Before You Begin module in Canvas and go through those items to help set up your class, help set up the course so it works for you. You'll want to set up your profile, any mobile apps, and make sure your notifications are on so that when I send messages, announcements, or other updates, post grades, you're able to get those and respond to them quickly. Then, and this is a big one, there's a module I put in there with a bunch of materials such as your student notes, that's essentially your text, a formula sheet, steam tables, Molière diagram, and as I build up any other resources for the course in general, that's where they'll go. Now, individual PowerPoints and lectures are going to be within each module. In Module 1, there's going to be a Units and Properties PowerPoint. And in Unit 1 or 2, there's going to be a PowerPoint for STEAM. So the topics we're going to cover over the course include Units and Properties, STEAM, Basic Energy. We will touch on thermodynamic processes and thermodynamic cycles a little bit, enough to get you prepped for advanced thermodynamics. We're going to go deep into pump theory and operation, heat transfer, fluid statics and dynamics. All of this is going to be building up to your final exam. And of course, to go through each of these topics, each module will have some combination of discussion posts, assignments, and quizzes. Those are going to be your activities. How you're going to engage with each other and with me and demonstrate that you've reviewed the material and understand what it says and what you're expected to know for your final exam. So with all that, I do hope that we'll at least get an opportunity to see each other in class once or twice. Not sure yet. All this is still kind of up in the air, so for now we're just gonna plan on doing it online. I've got some lessons learned I brought with me from my last 2 classes. I hope to do a few more. I'm not going to promise a lot, but a few more videos. There's not going to be any group projects in this class. It's strictly you, your discussions, your assignments, your quizzes, and then of course your final exam. So let's have a good course. Let's have a good class. Yeah, I'll see you soon.